Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSoft. In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of aptitude for our placements. So the placement sessions are almost around the corner and everybody must be having questions that whether they should spend some time studying and solving questions regarding aptitude or not. So we'll answer all of those queries in this video. So let's get started. Now, the first question is that, okay, is aptitude really asked in SDE placements? So if I talk about SDE companies also, so most of them do ask aptitude in their tests. And it's like almost 80 to 90% companies have some questions of aptitude and some coding questions also. So it's a mixture of both of them. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is that why do companies ask aptitude questions in SD placement? So this is a very relevant question. You might be wondering that the role is an SDE role. So the thing that should matter a lot is the coding of the student and not aptitude. But the reason is that see, company do not expect that you will be having all the development skills and everything beforehand. They actually want to check that whether you can apply things, whether you have that thinking capability or not, and those things can be checked with aptitude, so they put certain aptitude questions also in the test. Another reason is that coding questions are limited in the test. Let's say two or three coding questions are present in every test that any company takes, right? Now there are a lot of students that are giving that test, and if in a private university I talk about, there are almost 800 to 900 students giving that test. And if all the questions are easy, then it's like very tough for the company to actually distinguish among students and sort out them for interviews. That is why apart from coding questions, they add certain aptitude questions so that they can actually differentiate between students. Right. The next question is that how much to study aptitude for placements? Okay, now we have seen that yes, aptitude will be asked, and it is important also because like all of the companies do take it as a parameter for distinguishing, right? Now, how much to study? This question depends to student, like for student to student, right? I mean, a lot of students in my time they were good in aptitude beforehand. They like in their earlier school time they have solved problems and they have that mental aptitude that they are able to solve most of the questions. So if you are one of them, then I think just practice certain concepts, find out weak points that you're having. There are certain tricks and tips also associated with certain topics. Go through them and just brush up everything. That would be fine for you. But if you feel that okay, you are actually weak in aptitude, then I would recommend that daily you should at least spend some 30 to 40 minutes or maybe 1 hour and just sort out some weak concepts and solve more and more of problems related to aptitude. Where to study aptitude for placement? So this question, Geeks for Geeks is a like it's the best site for everything. It has everything related to placements, even aptitude. They have separate section for aptitude, so you can go through that and check that out. It has very good questions, concepts, everything. And apart from that, India Bix is also a very good website online. You can go through that. It has like separate topic wise separation, and there are questions to practice as well. These are two recommendations from my side. I think that's all with this video. I hope your concepts are clear. And the last recommendation would be that do practice at least aptitude because they do make difference in the placements. Thank you.